Hello. This is for, I'm not even going to pronounce it, the Aeitto, I assume. It's a masticating juicer by HotEM or HotEM. This was not exactly intuitive, so I want to point out how to actually assemble this specific juicer model. So there are different types of pieces, and in your box it did come with this, very helpful. It tells you in what order it'll be assembled, so you're going to want to keep that off to the side. The main body. So let's talk about the main body. One of the things you're going to notice is that at the base there are these 3 nodules. The first one over here at the front has a mark on it. You're going to go to part 2, which is the container. This is the container as it's pictured in the paper that I just displayed for you. If you turn it over, you're going to see there are matching 3 nodules. And the one that has the white dot matches and lines up with the base nodule that has that white mark on it. And it literally sits quite nicely. The next item is number 3 in this paper, which is the filter. And I have to say, it is the easiest juicer filter I've ever had. I am used to a centrifuge juicer. This is my first masticating juicer. And you then take the auger and you just push it right in. There's a rubber, not a gasket, but there's a rubber piece in there that helps hold it. Then we have the top. And this was the only one that sort of had me for a moment. You're going to want to line it up. You're going to see that it does have a lip here. And if you look along the side of this, it does have markings. On here is a line. You're going to match that up with the white dot. You also have to match it up with the screw hole here in the top. And it looks like I did not push this down. Ah, hear that? I didn't push it down enough. But this is why I wanted to do this recording, so that you guys know it is not you. It is definitely... Okay, here we are. I took it apart and figured it out. Just sitting it in here isn't actually going to work. Take a listen. There it goes. It does have to fit just like some of these other pieces have to fit. And I did not notice the first 2 times this little hole. And it does align with where the red hole is on the inside. So now we just push this in. Give it a little twist to make sure it's tight. Cross our fingers. Make sure our line is aligned, as well as the screw top, and ta-da! It's done. So there we are, and you can see that that nodule is inside the track. You're ready to start masticating.